We just went over chain dimensioning. There's also something called baseline dimension, which we can grab our original, this would be our datum surface, and then we just click each one of the things we're trying to dimension from said baseline or datum, and it will automatically populate several dimensions. If you were doing that with the Smart Dimension tool, you'd have to click this line, then that one, drag it up, click, this one, drag it up, click. So by having that baseline dimensioning tool, it can save a lot of time. And now to go from baseline dimensioning to datum dimensioning, we need to add in a datum feature, which is we can do with this tool here. So if we click our face, we can drag it up. And now it is known that this plane is our datum feature, and all of our dimensions come from that datum. We can then set other datums, such as deciding that this is datum B, and then we would dimension from that edge. So this would be your primary datum, secondary datum, and for your tertiary datum, we could do a projected view, pull it over, back to annotation, datum feature, and we could say that this face is the tertiary datum, which is just another fancy way of saying your third datum. So first, second, third, or primary, secondary, tertiary. And with this datum feature called out, now instead of baseline dimensioning, this would be considered chain dimensioning, or datum dimensioning.